Today's video is about the replacement of the drinking water pump mechanical cell. Disconnect all the piping connections of the pump. Remove the motor. Loosen the bolts of the pump casing cover. Remove the casing cover. Loosen the gland cover. Make a match mark before the disassembly of the impeller nut. Remove and loosen the impeller nut. Remove the impeller. Remove the shaft key. Dismount the pump shaft complete. Make a measurement between the mechanical seal stopper and the pump shaft and record the result. Loosen the lock and remove the mechanical seal stopper. Dismount the mechanical seal stopper. Took up a measurement of the mechanical seal before the removal and record the result. Remove the gland cover. Cleaning all parts. Check the old and new mechanical cell before the disassembly. Remove and replace from the gland cover. Remove the O-ring. Make the upper impeller measurement and record the result. Make a measurement on the lower impeller and record the result. Measure the lower mouth ring and record the result. Measure the upper impeller mouth ring and record the result. Remove the lower mouth ring and replace with new one. Remove the upper mouth ring. Make a groove for the mouth ring dowel. Make a match mark and make a groove for mouth ring dowel. Mount the new lower mount ring. Fix the mount ring without any damage. Check the dowel condition. Mark for upper mouth ring for dowel. Make a groove for a dowel. Then make a match mark. Fix the upper mouth ring properly without any damage. Check the dowel condition. Check the shaft sleeve and neck boss condition. Remove and replace the neck boss with new spare. Check the old and new neck boss spare. Mount the new neck boss. Check the condition. Mount the new O-ring. Fix on the gland cover. Mount the shaft sleeve. Mount the gland cover. Mount the packing. Mount the mechanical cell. Mount the mechanical cell stopper. Took up a measurement before and after the disassembly. Lock and tighten properly the mechanical cell stopper. Apply with small amount of grease. Assemble the pump shaft complete. Mount the shaft key. Mount the gland cover bolts. Mount the impeller. Lock the impeller nut and tighten properly. And check the match mark before disassembly. Mount the casing cover. Check the match mark before disassembly. Tighten properly. Assemble the pump complete on the pump base housing. And tighten the nuts. Connect all suction and delivery pipe. Mount the motor. Fix the coupling bolts and tighten properly. Fix and tighten the motor bolts properly. Start and stop the pump and check the running condition. Continuous running the pump and check the running condition. Check the pressure, check the water level of the tank. Stop the pump and switch into automatic mode. And that's all for today's video guys. Thank you very much for watching.